Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a LV bag. Yes, you can see the bag, the front of the bag, and here is the side. You can see, yes, and the front of the bag there are two pockets. Yes, another side and the hardware. Here the zip. Okay, the top there are two zip heads. Yes. Yeah, the material of the bag. Yeah, this is a hardware. Yeah, golden hardware. And the top handle. Yes, you can see the top handle. And the logo. Yeah, it's very clear. Yes. Okay, and another hardware. Yeah, and the top handle. The bottom. Oh, the back. Yes, this is the back. Yeah. The whole back like this. Yeah, and the strap. Yeah, the strap, the hardware, the strap can be removed and it's adjustable. Yes. Yeah, you can see. It's beautiful. Okay. The strap is very strong and soft. Now I will show you the pocket. Yeah, there's a very small pocket. Yes. And another. I will show you. Here, this is the inside. Yeah, there's other side pocket. Yeah, good. Okay, let me open the bag. Yes, they have two zip heads. Yes. Okay, that's the inside, and we can see there are small bag. Yes, coin purse. Yeah, you can see. I will show you this is the coin purse. Yeah, it's very cute. It's small. And there's a pocket. Yes. Okay. There's a logo. Yes. Yeah, you can see the pocket. There's some numbers. Yes, you can see here. Okay, very good. Yes, the small pocket, small coin purse. And some accessories. This is a silk ribbon and cards and the dust bag, the box and the shopping bag. So that's all. That's all about the bag. So if you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.